We love pasta salad around here. Here's our creamy version with a simple creamy dressing and crisp, colorful veggies. We need 1/4 of an onion. I love using red onion for its color. Since raw onion can be overpowering, we tone it down by soaking the onions in cold water for a few minutes. For more crunchy veggies, finely chop a bell pepper, 2 celery stalks, a few radishes, and 1 or 2 dill pickles, depending on how much you love pickles. This combo of vegetables is colorful, crunchy, and has the perfect balance of sweet and sour. The creamy dressing is simple. I make it right in the bottom of the bowl I plan to serve my salad in. Combine 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1½ tablespoons of yellow mustard, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then season with salt and pepper. I often add a little bit of honey for a touch of sweetness. You can leave it out or add more depending on your tastes. Now we toss everything together. I've got cooked and rinsed macaroni here. Rinsing the pasta is key. It removes the starches and keeps our salad creamy. And that's it, our favorite creamy pasta salad. It's creamy, crunchy, colorful, and absolutely delicious. As always, you can find the full recipe on Inspired Taste.
Let me show you my tastiest pasta salad. Whether you're hosting or being hosted, pasta salad always goes first. Let's go. Cook your pasta of choice in boiling salted water. Let it cool completely. Add olives, a little bit of the olive brine, cucumbers, tomatoes, sun-dried tomato is optional, bocconcini, fresh parsley, lots of dry oregano, extra virgin olive oil, white balsamic vinegar. Give it a toss. Enjoy.